Time now for
All right. So you know there are a lot of challenges on social media. I think one of the most ridiculous ones would be the was it Bird? What's the name of the movie? Bird Box. Yeah, the Bird Box challenge.
Really
I think
like
it's
that
actually.
movie.
No, imagine reading news with a blindfold. But anyway, I really enjoy the 10-year challenge. So let's look at our first picture. I wish I could see it on the screen right now. Archie, you can come forward. That's okay. So I think our first picture is from moi. 10 years ago, I think I still look good. See? 2008, 2018. What a beautiful girl. Say it, Archie. Say it, say it, say it. This is Janella.
It's good. It's not bad at all.
Okay, so let's move.
It's a pretty good picture.
Thank you. So let's move on. The next picture is from... Archie, did you submit a picture?
I did, but I don't think it's going to be coming in today. It will be on later on in the
So
week, if I
why is mine
understand
on the
it.
screen for so long, though?
You said it was a beautiful picture.
It is. Okay, yeah, just take that in. So it looked like they might try flop with though. Like, where's the rest of the pictures?
You want to show Janella alone tonight?
Okay, good.
Hair.
Yes, yeah, okay. So
Okay.
this now is the picture I have been waiting for because I think Herman looked like he was wanted 10 years ago. All right? What is that? What is
Probably
that?
wanted, and maybe those ladies found me.
That's a good one. This is Shamel. Oh, that's beautiful. She hasn't changed a bit. That wanted picture though.
Wow.
Okay, so if we can keep moving, Archie, we really need your picture, you know, because your hair was different. You have a thing
Yeah,
for
I was
the...
doing. All right, so this is Andrea Chisholm.
Chizzy. Okay. Nothing
Chizzy
much
was
has
doing quite the
changed.
pose back in 2008.
That
What
her hair was
that was a
actually
sort of,
natural.
you know,
then.
you're posing beside the tree.
Ooh. Okay.
So
This
these
one
are
is
some of
hilarious.
the cute ones that other people have been posing, ridiculing the 10-year challenge. So that's
Corey Goat.
that kid, and then Corey goes 10 years later.
That's actually quite accurate.
And I think the next one that's coming up is the one that I didn't get initially because I couldn't tell what it was.
Oh, it's
Come on.
popcorn.
No. I mean, obviously I know who popcorn is, but I couldn't tell what that was in the that's the left side of the screen.
Yeah.
What is that?
I didn't know it was a kernel.
Yeah, I couldn't tell that it was a kernel initially.
So after 10 years, that kernel finally popped.
All right, guys. I think that we're going to be doing some more on Friday.
Yes.
Yeah, so hopefully we get to see Spencer, Oral
Of
Tracy,
course.
and more of the guys from the sporting department.
Yeah,
and
my
Archie.
picture is
And
coming
Archie.
up. My picture is coming up.
I
Dion
know it,
has
I
her
know
picture. You know, if you've been through a perm and you've been through a bald head and